Hi everyone, in today's video I want to talk about 20 cool things that you can do on your Samsung Galaxy. Let's get started. If you want to jump around this video, I have included timestamps down below. Number 1. Turn on silent mode. You can map your power button and your volume up button natively to act as a silent button. Go into the settings and then you want to search for something called accessibility button. You will see there is something called side and volume up keys. So you click that. You can actually map it to a lot of other functions. So what I have a map to is to mute all sounds. So when you press that, it mutes all system sounds. Now the good thing about that is, unlike the do not disturb option, which only mutes incoming notifications, now this mutes notifications and all system sounds and all media sounds. This is useful if you want to mute everything. If you are going into a meeting or whatever, going into a classroom and you want to mute everything, just hit these two buttons and it mutes everything. It's a really nice feature to have. You can also hold down the power button and the volume down key in order to take a screenshot. Number 2. Switch between windows. This is a really useful feature. Let's say you are in one app and then you go to another app and you want to switch to the app that you are just in. Well, you can double tap the multitasking button at the bottom. Number 3. Pop-up screen. If you want to do other things on your device while also being able to see certain content like a YouTube video, for example, to do this you have to go to your certain apps. So tap on that, go over to whichever app you want to use the pop-up screen feature and then hold down on the logo of the app. You will see here that we have a variety of different options. Open in pop-up view. You can see it's almost like a little mini app window here, so that's really awesome. You also have the ability to resize this as well, so you can resize it to just show the actual video itself. You can put that up in the corner while doing other things on your phone. You also get a cool transparency toggle as well, so if you want to see what's behind the content here, turn the transparency up. You can also use this button to completely shrink it to just a little icon that still is everywhere no matter where you are on the device. You can tap on the X to completely close this out, or if you want to go back to the original full screen, tap on the full screen button and it will take the app back to the default. Number 4. Turn on system clicks. You go into settings and then into sounds and vibration. You go into system sounds and then you turn on touch interactions. So what that does is, every single time you touch something, it makes a small little click sound. Number 5. Change your screen mode to natural. Go to settings and then search for screen mode. Screen mode by default, it's turned to vivid. As you can see, when you turn it to natural, all the colors become a little bit more flat. Number 6. Edge lighting. If you go into your settings and you search for brief pop-up settings, tap on it again, edge lighting style, and you turn it on, where you can select a whole bunch of different lighting effects. You can change the colors. And you can even change it based on different apps. Number 7. Fast charging. Go into settings and you want to search for fast charging. Make sure you have this option on before you start charging so that you are getting fast charging. Number 8. Keep it on an app in the background. It doesn't get closed whenever you close all apps. To do that, you want to open your multitasking window by pressing the multitasking button on your navigation bar. Select an app, for example, calculator. You want to hold the icon and you can lock or unlock this app. This app locked, so once you lock it, when you close all apps, this app doesn't get closed. This is very useful. Number 9. Digital well-being. If you go into your settings, there is a setting here for digital well-being and parental controls. Tap on that. Tap on app timers. Then click the timer button. I would recommend something like 30 minutes. And the good thing about it's after 30 minutes it grays out the app and it doesn't let you use it anymore. And then if you want to use more than 30 minutes, you can give yourself an extra 10 minutes, 30 minutes. Number 10. Battery percentage. Pull down the shade. Go to the settings. Then type in battery. You can see that there is a specific toggle to turn on the battery percentage. And there is in the corner of the phone. Number 11. Side key. Pull down the shade again. Go to the settings. Go to search. Type in side. Tap on side key and then tap on it again. And now you will see that we have a variety of different options here involved in the side key. By default, when you double press on the side key, it will actually quick launch the camera. This third option is especially useful. You can have it open whichever app you like. So once you tap on that, you can see that we have a list of all the various apps that are currently on the phone. I'm gonna do calculator. So now when I double pressing the power button, it pulls up calculator. It doesn't matter where you are in the device operating system. Just double press on the power button and it will pull up the app of your choice. Number 12. Navigation bar. Many people nowadays like to use gesture with their phone in the Samsung Galaxy. To activate, pull down the shade, go to settings again and type in navigation bar. And then tap on navigation bar right there. you will see that we have a variety of different options related to the navigation bar. The first option, this is actually really cool. You can change the button order down at the bottom. Now to activate the gestures, you just tap on swipe gestures, and you can see that after doing that the standard navigation bar goes away, and then you just get this little line at the bottom of the display. You can just swipe up to go back to the home screen. You can also partially swipe up to see more recent apps. If you don't even want that little line at the bottom, you can actually turn off gesture hints. That won't be here at all, so it's literally a completely full screen experience here. That's really awesome. Number 13. Customize lock screen. Go to the settings, type in clock. Then go to the clock style. Lock screen, and then you have the choice of a variety of different clock types. So we will do this option, and then you can customize the color. Tap on done. Number 14. Device care. If it seems like your Galaxy isn't quite as fast as it was, pull down the shade, go to the settings, go to search, type in device care. It's checking right now to see what optimization the phone can do to speed up the device. I recommend doing optimize about every month. That should give you a better user experience overall. Number 15. Hide an app. Go to your home screen, hold down, go to home screen settings, and then tap on hide apps. This gives you the ability to hide whichever app you want on the phone. So if I want to hide Bixby, for example, just tap on that, and you can see it's now listed under the hidden apps. If you want to bring that app or whatever app back that you have hidden, go back to hide apps, and then remove it from your hidden apps. Tap on done. Number 16. Double tap on the display to turn it on. Go over your settings. Go to search, type in lift to wake. And you will see it's right there. And then you can turn on lift awake. You can also activate smart stay if you want to as well, which will keep the screen on while you are looking at it. So that's definitely an awesome feature too. Number 17. One-handed mode. One-handed mode gives you the ability to reach other parts of your display. and make the display smaller. So it's almost like a mini phone. To do this, pull down the shade, go to settings, go to search, type in one-handed mode. Tap on that and then you can activate one-handed mode right here. So with one-handed mode, you have two different options to activate. You can activate it with gesture. You can see that we now have the smaller version of the phone. If you want to, you do have the ability to also resize this. So you can make it a little bit bigger if you want. If you are left-handed, you can also move it over to the left side of the phone. Then, to completely go out of one-handed mode back to the normal mode, just double tap on the home button again. Number 18. Remove animations. Go to the settings, remove animations. That's actually under accessibility. And then by removing the animations, this is pretty self-explanatory. There are now no animations, so the apps load up a lot quicker. If you feel like the animations with your Samsung Galaxy are slowing you down, then you do have the ability here to easily remove those animations. Number 19. Edge screen. By swiping over, you get access to your favorite applications at the side of the display. You can of course customize this however you want. You can add folders as well, like you can see here. And you actually have even more customization with this. You can add different tools as well. If for some reason you don't want this feature, maybe you are tired of seeing this little cutout on the side of your phone, pull down the shade, go to settings, type in edge, and then you will see right here edge panels. Tap on that. Just turn it off and then now you will never see it again. Number 12. Always on display. To activate, type in always on. And you will see right there under lock screen, always on display. So tap on that, tap to show. If you just tap on the screen, which is the default, it will show the always on display for 10 seconds. You can set it to always show continuously. So we will do that the always on display is activated. That's all I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed my content. See you in the next video. Bye.